Hello. These short videos were created to introduce ColumbusFood functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the produce industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of produce growers, processors, and/or distributors and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet these fresh produce businesses' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights Columbus's quality control and process data collection. Data collection elements play a dual role used in quality control and data collection. Data collection elements are user-defined. As many as needed can be set up. Data collection elements represent various properties that need to be reported in QC and/or data collection. They are assigned a type, which will instruct the system as to the input that will be recorded for that element. Types are Boolean, yes or no, date, lookup, numeric, or text. A lookup allows for a user to define a list of available options. During input, the user will select from this list. The actual target value is completed at the master record level setup. We'll see this first in quality control and then again in data collection. Columbus's quality control and data collections are seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Columbus created the Quality Control Role Center specifically for these modules. Data control elements are assigned to the master record items. These will be used to define the item lot quality control tests. Based on data control element types for each test, the target values are also populated. The system uses these target values to compare against the actual test results entered. This is the basis for the pass-fail. Must pass indicates that the QC test must pass in order for that lot to successfully pass QC testing. Open quality control activities have a status of pending, waiting for the actual QC test results to be entered, and the eventual status of the QC test changed to pass or fail. Here, QC technicians can be assigned, as well as scheduled dates to indicate when the results are due to be entered. The General Fast tab maintains key information about the item lot quality control activities. Recording the actual test results occur on the Quality Control Results Fast tab. As results are entered, the test date and time and by is recorded. Values entered outside the previously established target parameters will result in that item lot's QC test's status being set to fail, and possibly the entire QC activity failing. Once the results have been entered, the user can indicate completion. Based on the results entered, the system makes a determination if the status should be pass or fail. The user can override this determination. The caveat is that none of the failed QC test was set to must pass. Based on system setup, the lot status field may default to a code which limits the available transactions possible for that item lot. Process data collection allows for the fresh produce business to gather information on a number of different processes that do not directly deal with the receipt or creation of items. For example, for production, in-process testing is performed on products during the manufacturing process to ensure it's being manufactured to specifications. Another example could be taking the temperature of a key area based on a frequency. Other examples, capturing key vendor metrics upon receipt, or assuring customer quality based on shipping metrics. Master records and events are linked together through the assignment of data collection elements. This is a data collection sheet based on the event of production and the master records of items and resource. Recording the bacteria requirement for the item and the visual inspection for the resource has been completed. The temperature for the resource has had multiple results recorded over a period of time. At the next temperature reading, we'll enter a result outside the acceptable target. This will trigger an alert to all members of an alert group. We'll see this alert back on the Role Center. For the data collection sheet, the status can be changed to complete, which finishes the business process. Here we see that alert, which requires some type of action. An alert can both notify key personnel of a result and requires a user to address the alert. One last point. A data collection element can be set with a frequency to recur hourly, for example. If missed, another alert can be generated, notifying a group that the hourly result was not recorded. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.